What's my superpower? Stats. The stats area in TT Rockstars is a goldmine of information. But if you've only been glancing at the basics, you're missing out. Let's take a look at a few of the features that will turn you into a power user. Monitoring. Are you looking to get a better understanding of how your students are using TT Rockstars? Did you know if you have the stats bolt-on, you can see exactly what your students have been playing and when? If you go to the Effort tab and click on this little calendar icon, you can see a full game log. Use this tool to help celebrate students who've moved out of their comfort zone by playing more challenging game modes. You can also gain an insight into how your students play when they're out of school, offering a powerful opportunity to guide home learning or feedback to parents during Parents' Evening. School-wide analysis. Are you a subject leader or an SLT member looking to analyse performance across the school? Then the Stats bolt-on has just the tools for you. Whole school graphs. To find these graphs, head to Stats, but don't select a class. Instead, click School Graphs. Here you will see 3 graphs: correct versus incorrect answers, minutes played by the whole school, and studio speed for the whole school. You can change the time period these graphs represent at the top here, and even pick custom dates. Maybe a whole term to make tracking changes even easier. Motivation and engagement. Do you want to fire up your students and get them smashing in the answers? Then try Rock Status Certificates. When your students have played 10 games in studio, they are given a Rock Status based on their response times. These start at Wannabe, that's 10 seconds per question, and go all the way up to Rock Hero, which is 1 second or less per question. Each status comes with a special personalised certificate that you can print out in just 1 click. To print those certificates, head to Stats, select your class, Studio. Then you will see this download button. If it has a little number next to it, that means some new statuses have been earned in the last 7 days. If that has given you certificate fever, try Custom Leaderboards. You can find them under Stats, Custom Leaderboards. You can set up a leaderboard for accuracy, coins, correct answers, studio speed, and minutes played. You then pick a time period and which classes to include. Then voila, a leaderboard. You can sort that leaderboard by clicking the headers at the top. What's super cool is you can click this certificate icon to print personalised certificates, and this presentation icon to launch a very snazzy whiteboard presentation of the winners. Very handy for assemblies. Now those are some of the ways you can become a power user of the Stats bolt-on, but it does do more. Check out our What Does the Stats bolt-on Allow Me to Do article in the Help Centre to see what other cool features it comes with. If you don't have the Stats bolt-on and you're thinking, I want in on this action, you can add the Stats bolt-on by heading to Account, Subscriptions, Add Bolt-ons. Once you get to grips with the Stats bolt-on, you'll be a super power user in no time. Pew pew!